it's Jessie here. I'm back with another Plan With Me video, and this week I am planning for the first week in February. So February 1st through the 7th, this starts some sort of Valentine's Day themed videos. I'm probably only going to do a couple. I don't think I'm going to do like a whole month's worth of hearts and flowers, but I'm definitely going to do one today. I don't have a specific kit that I'm going to be using. I got my inspiration. So my inspiration for this spread is this cute little sampler that I got from Oh Hello Stationery Co. These super sweet little birds reminded me of a washi tape that I have, which also has birds. So I'm going to do sort of a pink and green theme today. It's not going to be super, like, crazy decorated. I definitely really love the way that my last week's spread turned out, which started out very functional. Like, this is not very decorative, this is completely functional for me, and I loved it. So I'm going to start out very minimalistic, putting in just the things that absolutely need to be in here, and then just like I did last week, I'm going to plan day by day because that worked out really great for me. So this video probably isn't going to be super long, and the spread's probably not going to be super crazy, but I am going to do some decorative elements because, hello, it's almost Valentine's Day. So I got all these little stickies. I really do not like planning this way, but this is just what I happened to have when I was doing my pre-planning. So I'm going to move this up a little bit and get started. I'm going to pull my pages. I'm going to line some washi tape along the bottom. I've also got some super cute date cover-ups. I cut these on my Silhouette, and most of them cut all the way through because I still don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm going to make them work. So I'm going to use, I think these ones, the print hold on, phone call. Okay, lots of distractions today. I'm sorry, you guys. Anyways, I got these super cute date covers that I cut all sorts of crazy, and the print quality is not great, but I'm going to use them anyway because I think they're cute. I got these as a free printable from one of the Facebook groups that I'm in that I will link down below because I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. Happy Planner Addict Group or something like that. Anyways, so I'm going to use the date covers. I'm going to use some washi tape, so it's going to be a little bit more decorative than last week, but most of the stickers that I lay down in the actual spread are going to be purely functional. So, as I was saying, I'm going to pull my pages, and I'm going to get started. I'm probably going to talk through some of this and speed through some of this, so yeah, that's what's going on. So there we go, that took a lot longer than it should have. I kind of struggled with some of the paper, but I got my date covers down. I just covered up the original dates with just some plain white sticker paper. And then I covered up this little words down here as well and laid down my washi tape, and it's looking pretty cute. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the actual planning. So I printed out a whole bunch of stuff to go with this thing, with this theme. It didn't really work out so well. I am running out of ink, so this is all supposed to be green, and it's blue, but I think I'm going to use it anyway, just because I don't want to waste it, or at least I'll use the pinks. But I had an issue with my Silhouette. It will not register. It will not read the registration marks. I've tried like 800 things to get it to work. I'm out of ink, so I can't reprint without it looking even crazier than this, so I'm going to have to cut all of these out by hand, which sucks. But I'm going to do it because I think that these are super cute, and I don't really have anything else that'll go with this theme except for some Big House Prints like gray stickers, and I'm not really feeling it. So I'm going to cut these out by hand. I'm going to lay down my to-do headers all the way across, as well as my little heart checklists, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so I turned the camera off for a little bit while I was working with these stickers because it was just taking forever, and it was like a ton of footage of me just struggling with stickers. Having to cut everything out by hand is really difficult, and nothing is perfect. I don't have precision scissors, so it's really hard to get into the little bits and bobs here, so I did the best I could. I actually really like it. I decided to go ahead and use the blue headers because, well, for one, I didn't have enough pink ones, but also, you know, the blue actually ties in with the blue and the washi tape, so I'm kind of okay with the pink and blue and green. I think it's really pretty. It's actually kind of reminiscent of Easter. I may do this kind of color scheme in March as well for Easter, but anyways, it's not perfect. It's a mess. I don't mind. I like it. It's gonna function well, and that's what's most important. I mean, really, I could scribble down a to-do list and not even use these stickers, and that would be okay because it would still function, but I just like it to be pretty. And even though it's not perfect, I think it's pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the actual planning now. So on Monday, I have, first and foremost, some bills that are due. So let me grab some stickers to represent that. So I've got these bill due stickers here that I made, and again, these are not perfect, but the green will work and this little pink will work, and I've got two bills, so I'm gonna go ahead and just lay those down. Alright, where did I put that little sticky? There it is. So that's my two bills. I'm gonna put in my little box to write in Happy Monday because I always do that. Let's see what I got here. I printed out this whole mess of really beautiful kind of pink colored appointment stickers and whatnot. I think I'm going to use this one. And again, these didn't cut exactly right. I'm still playing with the settings on my silhouette and trying to learn. I don't mind that it's not perfect. I mean, I could never like have an Etsy shop and sell something like this that's all messed up, but it works for personal use. So I'm going to put that up here. And it's crooked, but oh well. I want to put in a box for meal planning. Let me see what I have in terms of stickers for meal planning. I have these, again, from the same sheet that I printed, and they're all kind of the same. So I think I'm going to cut these out and use these across the bottom for meal planning. And again, this is going to take forever to sit here and hand cut these. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off and get these laid down, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, sorry if the lighting and the angle has changed. I took a little bit of a break because I was getting frustrated, and planning is supposed to be fun. It's not supposed to be frustrating. So I took a little break, and now I'm back to hopefully finish this up. So I got rid of all the stickies that were on here because they were annoying the hell out of me. And I laid down the stickers for my meal planning, and I'm on my game this week. I actually have my meal planning done, so I can go ahead and write that in right now. Okay, so there's my meals all the way up through the weekend. I'm going grocery shopping on Friday, so I'll make my meal plan for, you know, the rest of the week and the following week then. Anyways, going back to planning day by day. So I think Monday is done with the exception of my little coffee mug sticker, which I need to grab. I think I'm actually going to use this one from the little Oh Hello sampler. It doesn't match exactly, but it is cute, and it's right here, and I don't have to go searching. So go ahead and write that in too. I usually don't write in as I go, but what the hell, let's do it today. Okay, Tuesday. First and foremost is payday, so I'm going to need a little payday flag. So I just searched all over God's creation for my payday flags for Mama Needs Chocolate, and I can't find them, so I'm just going to use this green flag from Oh Hello Stationery Co. This one didn't quite cut right. There it is. And I'm going to stick that in there to indicate payday. Next up, I have a couple of birthdays. So, what do I want to use to mark birthdays? Let's see, shall we? I have this little green box from Mama Needs Chocolate. I'm going to stick down to mark the birthdays. That's birthdays done. What else do we got? Okay, Robbie has got after school tutoring that day, so I need to find a pink box because there's a lot of green going on here. Use this one that I made, and I'm going to stick it. What else do I have going on that day? Alright, that's it. So I'm going to stick it here to cover up that red. Alright, moving on to Wednesday. It is trash day, so I'm going to need my handy dandy garbage stickers from Cheeky Paper Creations. And I'm going to need a box for that as well. I think it's recycling as well. I've been bad about remembering to mark whether it's recycling or not. Okay. Okay, I think that is everything. I'm just going to use a little header sticker here to cover that. I've got a bunch of these blank headers that I made myself in various colors, so I'm just going to stick a pink one down there. Just cover up that red. Okay, moving on to Thursday. There's a lot of appointments Thursday, so I'm going to use... Okay, Robbie's got after school tutoring again that day. What else do we have going on that day? Oh, I've got to weigh in and film. I think I'm going to stick my weigh in along the sidebar. So I'm not going to put that in, and I'm not going to set up my filming schedule until later on. I'm going to put that in here at the bottom. I'm leaving space for it, but I'm not going to do that until like the day before. So I don't need to put that in. I've already got my meal planning, so it's just Robbie's doctor's appointment. I'm gonna use these doctor's appointment stickers that Stacy sent me in a pocket letter. They don't exactly match, but they're close enough. Okay. Friday. Grocery shopping day. I swear, I'm having the hardest time finding my stickers today, so I'm going to use this green sticker from Big House Prints. Just a little strip sticker. Stick it in here so that I can write grocery shop. And then I'm going to stick a little mini half box checklist from Oh Hello Stationery right underneath it so that I can write out everywhere I need to go. Stick this little grocery bag sticker from Stickerific down. Dinners, so I'm just going to use another little blank header sticker to cover up the red. I think I'm going to go ahead and use a blue one to pull in some of that blue. Alright, so my weekend is pretty wide open. I don't have anything specific planned yet, so I'm just going to leave that open. Again, I'm going to cover up these little... I know that we're going to be doing something. I'm just not entirely sure what. So I've got these stickers that I made myself a while ago that sort of match the green, but not really. I'm going to stick these in here, I think. Also got these boxes that I've made in the past, and I'm hoping I can get this polka dot one to cover up the calendar here. Perfect, and then I'm going to take my super cute little sampler here from Oh Hello and stick these birds down. Alright, and now I'm going to work on my sidebar. Let's see what I want to do here. First of all, I know I want to cover up this note section with something, so let me see what I got. Okay, so I have these headers left over from Lisa Lorraine Plans. The pink ones are perfect, the green ones are perfect. I'm going to stick this important one down. To cover up the note section. And I'm just going to leave this blank so I have a place to write a little to-do list or whatever. Actually, you know what? I have some of these left over. I'll cut one of these for that. Finalized spread. I know that this Plan With Me video was all over the place and a hot mess. I just had a really hard time putting the spread together this week, but I do like the way it turned out, even though it's not perfect. Like I said, it's going to function well. I still need to write my bills in. Hold on a second. Alright, there we go. Let me pop these pages back into my planner, and then I'll say my goodbyes. Alright, there we go. So I've got room to write my weather here once it gets a little bit closer to the week. I've got plenty of space to fill in anything that comes up, which is what I really love about these kind of more white space type functional spreads. I've got a place to put in my weight. I got a blank box here I can fill in with anything that I need to remind myself of. So I'm really happy with this, and I like that I was able to use a lot of my own stickers, even though, you know, the cutting didn't really work out and I'm still learning with the silhouette. Like, sometimes I make my stickers and they turn out perfectly, no problem. Other times I just have a hot mess on my hands. So it's obviously still a learning process. My husband keeps telling me to open an Etsy shop, and I think that he is insane because clearly I need like a lot of practice before I could even consider doing something like that. But I'm having a blast making my own stickers, even when they don't turn out. That's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, like I said, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!